Wrike Project Management tutorial, how to use Wrike. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you how you can easily make use of this Wrike Project Management software. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, you need to visit their website, which is the Wrike.com, and this is the main homepage. So over here, as you can see, you can easily manage your project and your task here within your business. So going forward, as you can see here, they have a good platform and a website that is very user friendly. It's very easy to use, and to get started, you just need to click start for free. So they have a free trial that you can enjoy using before you upgrade your account to the paid plan. So going forward, I already created my account here. You can just easily create or connect your Google account for you to access the platform. And there's a easy step that you need to first do before you can create an account, but it's very basic and easy. So I already created my account here, so I will proceed to log in to show you what inside this platform. So I successfully log into my account, and by the way, before you can log in back to your account, once you log out, you need to go to your email account and try to confirm the email that was sent to your email address. So going forward over here, this is the main dashboard, and the first thing that you can see here on the left-hand side, you can see we have our space, the task dashboard, our prospect. This is the name of our first project, and also you can add your other project over here. So what is this first space? So this is the workspace that you can add here. So for example, for different workspace, like we say, this is going to be for support channel. So you can just name it support if you like to. So over here, if you want to add another workspace, you can see that we have different space template here that you can easily make use of from Wrike. So here they have the project and task, request, goal tracking, marketing campaign, agile sprints, or you can also start with the blank space. It will depend on you how you can design your workspace and your project management here inside this platform. So this is the first space that I created. So we have the first space, and under or inside our first space, we have our task dashboard. So here, as you can see that inside our task dashboard, we can easily add different widget here. So for example, if you like to add this My Task widget, just click add, and it will add inside your task dashboard. So inside your task dashboard is where you can see everything that you want to see directly when you visit your account, so that you can easily manage your task and project and make sure that you don't miss any project or task during that day or during this week. So you will stay up to date about everything. So over here, if you like to add another widget, you can just click this add widget icon over here. And then over here, you can also add your My Task this week if you like to. So over here, you can see the task that you have today. And for this week, you will see it here on the right-hand side. So if you want to add more, just click widget again. And you can also add the overdue task I created, so that you can follow up to the assigned person for this task and make sure that they're able to finish this one, since this task is already overdue. So you can just put that one in your task dashboard. So that's the use of the task dashboard. And this one is the prospect. Prospect is the first project that I named. So you can rename this one if you like to. So I named it as prospect, but let's just say we name it as project 1. And we change it here, project 1 as well. And then we have our first task over here. So as you can see, you can add different tasks here as well. So we can also change the view. So currently I selected the board view because this is easier for me, especially if you are in sales department or team, then it's very easy for you to make use of the board view for different project. Because as you can see here, for example, for this one here, for this first stage, let's just name this one. So just click edit status, and over here we can just say leads. And click enter, and that will be the leads over here. And let's rename this one over here, this plan. You can change this one to, let's say it's gonna be for demo. And then over here, we can also change this one to follow up if you like to. So just edit status. So as you can see, you can drag this one over here to the right corner and you have different stages here, and you can also add another column if you like to. So over here, if you want to add a task under the different stages, for example, over here, you can just easily click this add icon or just add task over here. And then you can just name the task demo for Kevin, for example. That's our prospect buyer for our service or product. And you can also easily just drag and drop the different leads over here to the different stages if you like to. So that's how you can easily make use of the board view. But of course, you also have your table view over here. Also have your Gantt chart. Just like this one over here, this is the Gantt chart. And of course, you also have other two different view here, which is analytics and calendars. And you can also add a different view if you like to. So that's how you can change your view. It will depends on what kind of project you are managing and what kind of task you are doing for your business or client's business. So for now, the board view is really perfect for sales team, as I mentioned earlier, because you can just easily drag the people from your leads to demo, to follow up, to processing the purchase or the invoice, paying the invoice, and closing the deal. So that's how you can easily make use of this platform for your project management. And again, if you have different client or different project, you can also categorize it by workspaces. So you can add the workspace over here if you like to. And of course, they also have automations here if you like to set up automation for a different workflow. Like for example, if this task completed, then it will automatically transfer to different person to do the rest and complete this task. So something like that, that's what you can do with the automation. And also you can just share this project or workflow to your cool-leads as well. And under here on the left-hand side, you can see that we also have the invite button. If you like to invite new member from your team, then you can just easily enter their email address over here so that they will get invitation and be part of this project management tool as well. So I guess that's all for today's video, and I hope that you learned something today. And if you have any question, you can just comment down below, and thank you for watching.